Many people will encounter some problems in cultivating plants, especially on how to choose a mixed media for potted plants. So today, we will share with you guys the basic potting media and how to mix it. This media can be used for 90% of potted plants and flower. First of all, we need 50% of all-purpose soil for our mixing. I recommend you guys to choose this kind of soil. Followed by adding 15% of cocoa chip, mainly to provide better drainage. Then, add 10% of perlite to promote root growth and better aeration. Add 10% of humides that have high water retention. Next, add 5% of lava rock. Lava rock will help to retain moisture in the soil and provide better drainage. Followed by 5% of myfanitum to balance the pH value of the soil. For succulent and cactus, you can increase the ratio of myfanitum and lava rock. Lastly, add 5% of osmocote fertilizer for nutrient purpose. So now, we are done with our mixing. So this is how our potting mix will look like, and now it's ready to be used. Now, let's move our plant to their new home. First of all, you need to make sure your pot is clean before you repot your plant. Then, add Srumsite into the bottom of the pot to prevent the leaking of the soil. Srumsite also provides nutrients for the plant. Then, add quarter of the soil on top of it. Now, you can loosen up your plant and put inside. Then you can add more soil on it. You can put some pressure by pressing the soil so it will become more solid. Lastly, you can put some pine bark on top of the soil to prevent the soil from leaking out when we water it. That's it for our potting media. By following this ratio, it can be used to grow 90% of potted plant and flowers. So we still have this scarlet Srumsite, vermiculite and akadama. Each of them has its own purpose. So if you want to know more about it, feel free to ask us. Thank you for watching.